ari kwiguraho kooti yo kubanza hambuga y'Igombara ya Kicece omuri KITAGWENDA His Lordship Vincent Wagona omuramuzi mukuru wa Fort Portal yatongozaho inkora ya kote amanya small claim procedure ogu yakwase bikwato omuramuzi orabe nakorera omwanya ogu His Lordship Swabur Saiga okurigira hari Wagona encourage neyo kuyamba abatuura ba KITAGWENDA okubanja sente ziri hansi ya miliyoni 10 obweru kuyamba kutaho kwikirizana omu bantu.
Before you come to court, before you go to the police to report a case, have you tried to resolve it amicably?
Bwanyuma yo kutongoza encourage omuramuzi hona yayihanangiriza abatuura okugumana bihe mishango mu kooti na munonga bakubasa kuchera mu maka gabo.
Most of the disputes, most of the cases we handle in our courts actually are family wrangles. So you find a grandson has sued the grandfather, a son has sued the mother, has sued the sister, a brother has sued a brother, and we are saying that those are some of the types of cases that can be handled within the family.
Ahanshonga niyemwe omuramuzi nagira ngu encourage neija kumaraho mwijurano gwemishango mu kooti.
Since lawyers are not involved, the procedure is not complicated, and you have the chance to participate fully in resolving the dispute.
When they were sensitizing, I think he was clear and said there are those cases that do not fall under small claims, and any case against the government does not fall under small claims.
Abatuura nibijo mu district ya Kamwenge kuba niyo batungira obuhereza obwa kooti.
We had, I don't know if it was the same court, but we quoted nearly like in 90s. I am very glad that you are really bringing it back here.
Tumtwerwaho munonga hawuhereza obumuramuzi kugira ngo imisango ubwa hati yaza kucendera umbyaro yaza umburyo bwayo ibintu cyo mutamanya
tukoti konka kugira ngo echo emisango wehiroho nebasa kugarukana sabantu embazu ibiri kurugero kubeiza
Gasha kwa Timothy Mushabe.